Good morning, everyone. As you are seeing that I am heading to the Benaulim side. One of my friend has come. His name is Michael Renault. He has come from the UK. Earlier I have met to him at the Murjim beach. Nice place.
This is nice. My accommodation's not so nice.
So this is the basically cottages inside, and this is another cottage, nicely maintained, and this is access to the restaurant, beachside restaurant, and resort name is Nasia's Beach Resort, beach cottages, whatever is there, all put. So this is the way. That gate, you can see that front, that is the exit gate to the beach, and these are the cottages with full of greenery. Nice. My friend is, so I just wanted to capture the few clips just to show this place. This is their restaurant. Nice restaurant is there. Beachside, well maintained. This is there. You can see beachside. This is the restaurant, and this is the exit. And in front of you, what you can see is the beach. Okay, and location is, this is between famous Benaulim and Varka beach. If you go to left side, Varka. If you go right side, then Benaulim, and after Benaulim, Colva. So this is the scenario. Afterwards I will put more clips. Okay.
Yes, yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah, we have. Yeah. You can. It's special for tourists.
You go in the water with the crocodile.
Yeah, but not swimming in with the boat, with the small bamboo boat.
Oh, I
But
see.
it was amazing.
Yeah.
There's so like jungle safari.
Yeah.
It was yeah.
Hello. We're just going to see me and my friend Raj. Yeah, you can't go in the sea with that.
Oh,
No.
we'll capture few moments.
Yeah.
Then it is there, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Beautiful.
Say something. How you are feeling in Goa?
I am having a fantastic time in Goa. I'm with my friend Raj, who I met through a friend in London, and he's been very, very nice to me and showing me this beautiful beach where he lives. I love Goa. It's very big though.
Yeah, go.
But it doesn't get wet.
Yeah. No. Enjoy. I'm doing recording. Oh, after many years, I'm there in the beach just because of my friend Michael. After 6 years, totally. My God, what a lovely experience. My God, water is cool, and he's enjoying like anything. And see, you all can see that boat is there.
Oh, it's lovely. Look at that boat. Go around there, Raj.
Yeah, and it's a lovely beach.
It's like paradise.
It's between Benaulim and Varka. So this area which you are seeing ahead is the Benaulim Colva, which goes to till Bethel Batiman Airport. And now I will turn in camera to left side. This is extreme south, which goes till Palolem, Cancun, Carvar, like that. So anyway, you enjoy these shots and see that my friend Michael, how he's enjoying. He's very good in swimming.
Beautiful.
He's enjoying good. We both are enjoying in the water and the sea. Water is cold. Oh my god! Oh my god! See ya.